Our question is, write a program to accept the string and display all letters in capital if the letters are in lowercase. So what is the example? If the given input is, this is my car, see the case, only these letters are in the capital, but I want to display each and every letter in the capital. So what can I do? See that. Public static void main. Here I'm in method call, I'm accepting the string str. Now, what is in your mind that we will write system dot out dot println the converted string, या फिर without any message you will convert the string str dot to lower, sorry, to uppercase. Okay, then whatever you are going to input, see that it is going to be displayed into the uppercase. See that in the method call, whenever I will input the value of the string, I have to use double quotes. Okay, this is my car. See, this is my car in the capital. Okay, हमने प्रोग्राम बना लिया, बोला हमने तो प्रोग्राम बना लिया, हमारा क्वेश्चन हो गया. No, my dear, it's not the correct question, correct answer actually. See the question. Write a program to accept the string and display all letters in capital. Okay, if letters are in lowercase, means I have to check the letters in the lowercase. Okay, okay. और भी clearly अगर इस question को लिखना है तो write a program to accept the string and display all the letters in capital in separate line. So what you can do, like the last program. Okay, in the last program what we were doing, we were converting the string into the capital, then we were fetching the string. Okay, one more thing, I have to check each character. Okay, now this question can be changed like that. Write a program to accept a string and display the letters in the reverse case of it. Only reverse case. Okay. Reverse case means what? If the given letter, see that this is my car. Okay. So here I can do THIS, this, no. So I will write this, then is, then my, then car. Okay, this is my car. AR. This is also known as toggle case. Toggle case means जो कैपिटल है उसको लोअर में, जो लोअर है उसको कैपिटल में. Okay, understood the question. Whatever user is going to input, we have to convert that particular letter into that reverse order, reverse case. Okay, if this is in the lower letter, so I have to display this into the upper case. Then is in the capital, so I have to display in the lower. It is a capital, then the lower. C is only in the capital, so C only will be displayed in the lower letter. So what I will do for that? See that. What I'm doing over here? Here I am accepting the string. Now I have to check the case of each letter. First of all, case of each letter. Okay. So what I will do? I have to fetch the character first of all. Okay. So for fetching the character, I have to calculate the length. So here I'm calculating int length equals to str dot length, right? Str dot length. I have now loop. I will start for int I equals to 0, I less than len, then I plus plus, then I will fetch the letter char. See, you can declare this char outside the loop also. It's up to you. But you know what, I'm in habit of it that where I are using, there only I'm initializing. So char ch equals to str dot char at I. By this statement, we will fetch the letter. Now I will check each letter. If so, what I will use to check character upper class. If character dot is lower or capital, whatever you want to check, you can check first of all lowercase. Lowercase of what? Lowercase of ch. Okay, means if the given letter will be in the lower letter, then I have to convert it into the uppercase. So what I will do? Character dot dot to uppercase ch to uppercase ch, and then I will take it in another letter. Suppose I'm declaring ch1 or in the ch only, right? Else and I will add it, join it. Okay, we'll join it after the else. No need to give block else ch character dot to lowercase ch. Okay, then here I am declaring another string. Here I am declaring a string s capital, string suppose s, and right now it is blank. Okay, and then I am concatenating s equals to s plus ch. Then here we will display s. Let's see, after compiling to lowercase, okay, executing. Hello, this is my car. I'm giving in the capital and the lower both. See that, hello, this is my car. Converted. Okay, now I'll give in the different way. This is my car. See that this is my car. See what's happening in this program. What we are doing. In this program, according to this question, I have to fetch each character and then I have to check each character. So each letter I'm going to fetch here. Okay, till the length. Then I'm checking. To check the letter, we cannot use the str dot to lowercase. We have to use the character upper class lowercase method and the lower uppercase method of the character upper class. Okay, then after that, I'm converting it. If it is into the lower letter, then I have to convert into the uppercase. Okay, otherwise, I have to convert into the lowercase. And this line is important. This is what I'm taking one extra string, blank string. In that string, I am concatenating all the characters. So now my new string, this is my new one string. Okay, user is inputting in str and I am fetching the letter of the str and then checking it and then converting. Okay, if it is a lower, so I'm converting into the upper. If it is into the upper, then I'm converting into the lower and then concatenating into the another string, and that string I'm displaying. S plus CH. Okay, S is the blank string, so blank plus CH, whatever character will be there, it will be joined. Then again, in that character, in that letter, next letter will be joined, then so on, it will go on. Like the reverse one program we made.